This is the all-new Fiesta sport van. It is in frozen white as the model. We have the 1 litre EcoBoost 125 PS. I'll tell you more about the EcoBoost on the road test. If you just want to walk around with me, we'll go through the styling features of the sport van. You have the wrap-round LED running lights, the black grille. Obviously you've got the body kit all the way around with the side skirts and the front. This particular model comes with the 18-inch alloy wheels, very nice machine finish wheels. And again, as you come towards the back, you can see we've got the large rear spoiler on it as well. So, the Fiesta Sport Van, go through the road test of it. The beauty of this vehicle is that really it's half van, half car. You can have all your load in the back, carrying whatever you need to, but when you're in the front driving, it is just like you're in a car. It's a real nice drive, smooth, easy to drive. As I mentioned, it's got the 1 litre EcoBoost, so this is Ford's revolutionary petrol engine. It has 3 cylinders, as I said, it's a small engine, and it's extremely economical. It's so much so that it's getting close and competing with diesel engines. A lot of people are going to be deciding whether to go for a diesel or a petrol Fiesta van. And because it's a small vehicle, because the petrol engine is so fuel efficient, I would go for this engine personally, just because it is a fun drive as well. You're getting more power, more fun, great economy from it, and obviously you're paying less at the petrol station. Who's the Fiesta van for? It's for people who don't have heaps of equipment to carry, basically. People like mobile hairdressers, dog groomers, perfect for them. Just need to get the few bits in the back. Also good for couriers with small parcels to deliver. Even electricians and plumbers who don't have a lot to put in the back. The Fiesta's got a great size boot, big storage space, so it will accommodate for a lot of jobs. With this being a sport van, you really do feel like it is sporty when you're inside the vehicle. It comes with the bucket style seats with red stitching throughout, as well as red stitching on the handbrake, gear stick and steering wheel, as well as on the mats. You also get a flat bottom steering wheel, a steel gear knob and steel pedals, so you do get a feel like you are in a different model, a sport model. Moving on from the styling, it comes standard with Ford's Sync 3 system and the 8-inch colour touchscreen. Real great system to use, simple, manoeuvrable through the system, it's great. So this is the home screen. If you want to get to audio, you tap audio. If you want to go to navigation, you press navigation. Touch where you want to go, it's as simple as that. It's also compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can pair your phone up that way and mirror it to a certain degree. This vehicle also comes standard with air conditioning, comes standard with automatic lights, rain sensing wipers. It's a great spec vehicle, and if you do want more, there are always extras you can add. The low compartment in the Fiesta van is very spacious. You can get a lot in here. I think you could be able to get 4 of me in here. And 4. Easy peasy. The load space is very spacious, as I've said. Other benefits of the Fiesta van is that you can see through the bulkhead. So, I mean, even if you've got dogs in the back, that's beneficial, but even just looking through the rear window, it's very helpful. This is the all-new Fiesta Sport Van in frozen white. This is the 6-speed, 1 litre EcoBoost, 125 PS. It's a great vehicle, fun to drive, very practical as well. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you press down here and subscribe, turn the notifications on so you get updates on when we upload more like this. Thanks for watching.